Hello friends, I'm Nick, and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about something every traveler experiences, travel problems and how to speak politely with customer service. Let's get started. Repeat after me. Speak clearly and with confidence. My flight has been delayed. My luggage hasn't arrived yet. I think my bag is missing. Where can I report lost luggage? I need help with my reservation. My hotel room isn't ready yet. I booked a room with a view. There seems to be a mistake with my booking. Is there someone who can assist me? Could you please check again? I'd like to speak to the manager, please. I'm not satisfied with this service. Could you help me fix this issue? My seat on the plane was changed. The Wi-Fi in my room isn't working. The air conditioning is broken. Can I get another room, please? I need to change my reservation. Is there an earlier flight available? The restaurant service is very slow today. My order hasn't arrived yet. I think there's a problem with the bill. Can I get a refund, please? Is there any compensation for the delay? Thank you for helping me. I really appreciate your support. I want to file a complaint. Something is wrong with my ticket. Could you print my boarding pass? Where can I find customer service? Is there a charger station nearby? My phone battery is almost dead. I'm trying to stay calm. Travel problems happen sometimes. Good customer service makes all the difference. Great job! These sentences will help you stay confident even when travel doesn't go as planned. Now it's your turn. We'll practice a real customer service conversation. I'll speak one side, and you respond like you're really there. Ready? Let's begin. Hello, how can I help you today? What seems to be the issue? Do you know how long the delay is? Let me check. It looks like a 2-hour delay. Do you need to change your flight? Unfortunately, the earlier flight is full. Would you like a meal voucher during the delay? No problem, here you go. Did you check the baggage carousel? All right, I'll check the system. What does your suitcase look like? I see it here, it's still in transit. It should be on the next flight. Yes, we can deliver it for free. Do you have your hotel address? Perfect. We'll send you a message when it arrives. Is there anything else I can help you with? May I see it? You're all set now. Try it again. If anything else comes up, just let us know. Safe travels. Fantastic! You just practiced a real customer service conversation, the kind travelers face every day. Repeat it a few times and you'll feel more confident handling any situation. Great job today! Now you know how to stay polite, calm, and confident during travel problems, and how to communicate clearly with customer service. Tell me in the comments, what's the worst travel problem you have ever had? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this lesson. See you in the next video.